Hi everyone, welcome to Yamchan Food. This time, I'm gonna show you how to make sushi rice and nigiri sushi from scratch. I learned this sushi rice from a professional sushi chef. It's very tasty and easy to make, so please give it a try. Alright, let's get started. Please check out my previous rice video for how to cook rice in a pot. Since we add seasoned vinegar to sushi rice, it has to be cooked with about 10% less water than regular rice, so it's a bit harder rice than normal one. Rinse 6 cups of rice until the water becomes clean. Soak the rice for 30 minutes in around 972 ml of water after rinsing. Wipe off the dirt of the kelp with a paper towel. When cooking rice with a rice cooker, add water to the water level for sushi rice and cook. Devein shrimp with shell on by using toothpick like this. Secure the shrimp so that it doesn't roll up when it boiled. Add a little salt and boil the shrimp for a few minutes. Measure the amount of seasoning for sushi vinegar. After putting all the ingredients, heat it on low heat. Stir until the sugar and all the ingredients are dissolved and it turns clear. Never boil it. When the rice is cooked, take out the kelp. Transfer freshly cooked rice in the hangiri and pour the sushi vinegar over it. Mix it like slicing rice with a spatula. Make sure all the rice absorbs sushi vinegar evenly. Fan the rice with a paper fan and mix it like this to cool it down. When it cools down to some extent, cover it with a wet cloth to prevent it from drying out. Remove the skewer, peel the shrimp, but leave the tail intact. Open the belly of the shrimp and remove any remaining sand vein. Clean the scallop. Insert a flat knife through the gap between the shells. Take out the adductor muscle and the mantle from the shell. Since the mantle is slimy, you need to rub it with salt and wash away the dirt. Clean the abalone as I did with the scallop. Rub abalones with salt and wash away any dirt and slime. Sliced seafood for sushi toppings. If you hit the abalone on the cutting board, it will be tightened and even more delicious. When all the toppings are ready, let's shape the sushi with your hands. Prepare diluted vinegar, which is called tezu for hands. By applying tezu on your hands, it will prevent the sushi rice called shari to stick to your hands. Besides, vinegar also has antibacterial effect, so it's hygienic. Make a sushi bowl with your right hand, hold the fish with your left hand, and add a bit of wasabi, then shape it. Garnish the sushi with pickled ginger. For toppings that are difficult to put on, wrap the seaweed in this way and put it on top. The best assorted sushi is ready. It's easier to eat if you pick up the sushi after turning it sideways. The taste of this sushi rice is truly delicious, so please give it a try. When you dip sushi in soy sauce, don't dip the sushi rice except for gunkamaki. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!